Revit software is a building information modeling tool that allows building professionals to track and observe different design stages of the building life cycle in the virtual world. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Revit and welcome to my Revit tutorial course. In this course we will learn how to design a building and its structural components like walls, columns, floor slabs, and roofs. We will learn how to place stairs, railing, doors, windows, lighting, and plumbing fixtures. I'll show you how to annotate your model with 2D drafting elements and other standard architectural symbols, as well as how to access building information from models database, and many tips and tricks to help you perform Revit efficiently. So if you are ready to begin your journey to the world of Revit, you've come to the right place. Let's open Revit and get started. So once you launch the software, you're gonna prompt with the recent file screen, which consists of two major sections, the models sections and the families sections. The models sections basically is where you can create your own model, produce views, and show your ideas. Also, you can open existing model or create a new one, or open the recent file you worked on from this part. The families sections work in the exact same way in terms of accessing them through open existing family or creating a new one. The only difference that they are predefined individual component which can be used inside your project. For example, doors families, windows families, and so on. The other way to get to models or families beside recent file screen is through the application menu. We can access the application menu by clicking the File tab in the upper left corner of the user interface, where we can have access to commonly used commands like any other software such as new, open, save, print, export, and so on. In addition, and if you pay closer attention to the application menu on the upper left corner, there are two small icons for both recent documents and open documents. The recent documents lists the recent files you have opened, and there is a pin right next to each file name. You can pin it or unpin it to keep that file always pinned on the top of the recent file list if you want to, based on your preferences, which helps you to speed up your workflow instead of spending time searching for that file. The open documents only shows the currently open files. This is very helpful to quickly navigate through files you are working on. The Options button down here gives you an access to overall setting that you can configure without having a project open. So once you open it, and starting from right on the top under General tab, the notification area has two reminder intervals, Save Reminder Intervals and Synchronized with Central Reminder Intervals. The Save Reminder Intervals used only when you work on standalone project. The Synchronize with Central Reminder Intervals used when you are working with a team. So what saving intervals do is that if 30 minutes passes without saving, it's going to interrupt you and remind you to save. And the auto saving reminder by default set to 30 minutes, but you can adjust that time to 15 minutes or 1 hour. At the very bottom where it says view option, make sure the default view discipline is architectural in order to make all features inside Revit matches the discipline that you are focusing on. If you click on User Interface tab, you're gonna see a list of tabs like Architectural tab, Structural tab, and so on. And you can toggle these tabs on and off based on your preferences. For example, if I don't want to see the Structural tab, I can toggle that off to make it disappear, but I'm gonna turn it back on again for now. For the other tabs like Rendering, Check and Spelling, and so on, feel free to explore them on your spare time. But the most important thing that once you finish configuring your option, don't forget to hit OK to save all your settings so you don't have to do it again with every project. That's everything for today's video. In the next video, I'll be covering the most critical toolbars to access commands inside Revit, and you are very welcome to join me in this video. Thank you for watching, take care, and have a nice day.